Hello everyone, welcome to another, or the last vlog of the Survival Month series, day 21. Where am I today? Well, we've got 14 cleans. We're a bit of everywhere today. So we are going to my village, Parson Drove. Then we're going off to Gorefield, Tid St Mary, Tid Got. They're all close to each other. Then we're down to Leverington, then Guyhern. Also today I'm going to one of my customers. Her dog is the mother of my dog, so I got one of her pups. So whenever I go there, I like to take Rosie down so she gets to see her mum while we're cleaning, if the lady's in. So that's what we're going to do. Weather's out. We've had frost overnight, so it's a frosty start, frosty on the ground, but I'm sure it's going to warm up in an hour or two. And yeah, let's see what happens. And at the end of the video, what I'll probably do is, once I've got all the work in and the facts, I can give you through how much work we got through the month and complete and skips and all that kind of thing. I've looked at the bank and everything's kind of all right. But yeah, see how we get on. All right, that's it. All done and dusted. Day 21 of the Survival Month series, February the 28th, end of the month, all complete. So how have we done? Well, I started this month really thinking I wasn't going to make it. What's the point? And just thought this could be my last month for window cleaning. I mean, I've been in some scrapes and somehow I've got through them, but I really thought this was going to be the last one. So I thought, right, sod it. I'm going to video every single day because I might not get this chance again. And we've gone from that to making it till the end of the month. All my bases are covered. Plus I had an accountant's bill come in, which is £1,116. That money would normally have been sat in my tax fund account where I put money away every month. But I've had to use a lot of the money in there to get a new car because the car got written off. So that left me completely with nothing after I paid the tax bill. And then I got the accountant's bill and I was like, oh my God. So I had that on top of my worries, but we've done it. I've managed to get everyone paid and the accountant's been paid. However, it's only left me with £387 profit, but it would have been a lot more than that, nearly £1,500 if I didn't have to pay the accountant's bill, or I had that money still in my tax fund account, but we had to use that to go towards a new car. So yeah, I was really up against it. And we've done it. It just shows you extremes in window cleaning, isn't it? 1 minute you think you're broke and then the next minute you kind of make it. And making it's as good as making £1 million really. So I really like the job. I want to keep doing it. So hopefully things are going to improve. I've got price increases to come. It just shows you how important all that is really at the end of the day. So just be bold. And I know a lot of you have had a tough month as well because we all got affected. January, and December because of the weather. Worst months for me anyway. So long may the weather hold out. The work is always going to be there. It's all booked in, isn't it? Just need the weather on our side. So keep going if you're down. Just keep putting your head down and do it. I've done it. You can do it. And then we just got to do it next month. But yeah, next month hopefully the bills aren't as much. So I'll have that profit to start building up the pot again in the safety barrier. So please just keep going. Those of you who left me some nice comments to spur me on, thank you very much. And it's nice to hear that you feel motivated following me along, because I've been going through obviously something similar to yourselves. Like with, I've forgotten your name, is it Clayton? With your van failing its MOT plus tough month, and you've ended out on top of the month as well. So well done there, mate. It kind of makes it worthwhile sometimes, doesn't it? Just unfortunately it takes 4 weeks to get to feel like that, and then you repeat it next month. But anyway, thanks for following along. I'm still here. I still want to be and still plan to be. Like, subscribe, watch the video that will suggest next for you. And thanks for following me along and watching. Keep the good work going. Window cleaning's harder than what people think. We know. Take care.